Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's take a look at our first chart of the day. The Nasdaq-100 opened down slightly lower after mixed results last week and had a potentially big week of market-moving catalysts as investors await final word of a possible Phase 1 trade deal with China ahead of the December 15th deadline to raise tariffs on Chinese goods. It's also a big week for central banks as a European Central Bank and Swiss National Bank all have monetary policy meetings. Earnings to watch in the Nasdaq-100 this week include Lulu, Adobe, Broadcom, and Costco. They all report after the close this week. Let's pull up a year-to-date chart on Costco. Clearly, the chart echoes the strength of the consumer theme, driving the broader market all year. Analysts expected to deliver a year-over-year increase in earnings on higher revenue when it reports results on the quarter ended November 2019. This will be on November 12th after the close. Consensus sees $1.71 in earnings, which represents a year-over-year change of 6.2%, while revenues are expected to be in about $37.5 billion. That's up 6.7% from the year-ago quarter. If Thanksgiving spend proved to be strong, that could possibly translate into holiday spending as well. We'll all be taking a look at that as it reports in the following quarter. From the Nasdaq market site in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.